Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I ordered a ring light off of Amazon and it came right now in this huge box, and I'm gonna unbox it for y'all. I'm gonna show y'all everything that comes in it. So I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod and I'm gonna show y'all. So it's a box within a box. Another box. So this is the stand. This is the ring light. And then it has the instructions and everything else. Here you get everything that comes in the box. And this just tells you thank you for your purchase. And then here's how to set it up. And then it also comes with a little remote to plug it in. And it has to, if you want to make your light orange or bright white. And then it also has a clip for the phone. So this is the new setup. This is how I set up the ring light. And my Archon mount is like in the middle of it, on the bottom of it. And I like this ring light because it has adjustable settings. So this is like an overview of like how it looks. And the only light in the room on right now is the ring light, and you can see it's super bright. So I'm just showing you how it looks. So I'm just going to talk about the ring light for a couple of minutes before the video ends. So the ring light is super bright. I like the fact that it's connected to a power outlet and it's not one of those that you have to charge the battery or whatever. It's directly connected to the outlet. And I like that you can adjust the brightness. Here's a clip of me showing y'all. This is dim and then it can go super bright. So I do really recommend this ring light. I did pay about $100 for it, but they did offer a coupon, and you could also do that. Sometimes they offer the coupon and sometimes they don't. But I'll leave a link to the product in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm super excited to bring you a better lighting. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.